This is a popular Hindu devotional song or Aarti dedicated to Lord Vishnu. The song is typically sung during religious gatherings, rituals, and prayer ceremonies. It is especially common during the Aarti ritual where devotees offer light to the deity. The song is a form of praise and supplication to Lord Vishnu, asking for his blessings and protection. Each verse glorifies different aspects of his power, wisdom, and grace. The repeated refrain in the song reflects the omnipresence and omnipotence of the deity. Familiarize yourself with the F major scale before diving into the melody. The F major scale will let you get comfortable with the notes that make up the tune. You'll gain confidence in quickly identifying and playing the musical notes with comfort and ease. Sa 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 ni sa ri re ga ma pa pa dha pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri sa sa re ga ma ga ri sa sa ni sa ri ga ri sa ni dha re ga ri sa ni sa. Ri sa sa ni ri sa sa ni ri sa sa pa dha pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma ga ri sa sa re ga ma ga ri sa sa ni sa ri ga ri sa ni dha re ga ri sa ni sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Give the melody a try on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.